is day 2 in the culpable homicide trial of David Mmelesi, the partner of the late Justice Yvonne Mokgoro. Now, this continues in the Kimberley Magistrates Court. Justice Mokgoro died in May 2024 after she succumbed to injuries she sustained in a car crash in April 2023. Mmelesi was allegedly the driver. Justice Mokgoro and Mmelesi were hit by a truck between Warrenton and Kimberley. We're now joined by SABC News reporter Karabo Siyoko for more on that story. Karabo, update us on this one.
Good morning to you, Leanne, and our viewers at home. Just as you have mentioned, we are outside the Kimberley Magistrate Court where the trial of Judge Mokgoro was postponed to the side. As you have also mentioned with that, Judge Mokgoro succumbed to her injuries last year in May, and the trial to this culpable homicide case started this year in March, where we have seen the investigating officer testifying, taking the stand of the crime scene where he was at, and also a farm owner who was also just in the same vicinity where the incident took place. And just last month we heard the truck driver and his wife testifying as to what had happened and what they had seen, and the truck driver claimed that David Mmelesi, who is the accused person in this case, took a U-turn without even putting his hazard lights on or even giving an indication that he was going to turn, and then that's when the truck and the car collided right in the road between Kimberley and Warrenton. And also just yesterday we saw a car accident investigator who took stand to give us an analysis on his report and the investigations that he took at the crime scene, where he mentioned that he went there to take measurements to see how the crash had happened and also what caused the collision. And he concluded that in court that both Mmelesi and the truck driver contributed to the collision, and that it's up to the court to take a decision on which party will be given the responsibility of the accident. But he also had mentioned that, as the truck driver had mentioned, that he was traveling at 80 kilometers per hour. He could have also just slowed down before the collision, and that could have helped the situation at that point. But now we will be in court to listen at the cross-examination between the state and the defense lawyer that will be cross-examining the car accident investigator, and then we'll be able to give updates on the latest court case and how that went.